Today was not the day to wear lip gloss. So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a wig haul and try on from Givehead Wigs. So let's get into it, shall we? So I just want to quickly start out this video with a quick little life update. I will put a timestamp on the screen and in the description box if you just kind of want to skip ahead to me trying on some wigs. But sorry for not uploading last week and just kind of being absent the last couple of weeks on social media and just kind of not being around and being my usual self. I was back home last week visiting family since it was my nana's funeral, and I've kind of just been in a bit of like a weird depressive-y mind funk since of all that going on and family drama and just the whole works of it all. However, while I was back home, I did purchase a backdrop stand, so now I can change up the backdrop of my videos. I currently just have like a white blanket on it since I figured white would, you know, go with everything. But I did pick up a green screen as well, so hopefully I can play around with fun things and change things up. And I did pick up some cute little like floral backdrops, so hopefully in future videos I can change things up and they will look super cute. Also, I purchased all of these wigs with my own money, but I am proud to announce I'm now an affiliate with Giveface Cosmetics and Givehead Wigs, which are like these sister companies of like makeup and hair. And I do have a discount code of Luna Rose to save you 10% on their websites. Highly recommend their makeup. I have a haul coming soon of all stuff that I picked up, and I've used their makeup for literal years. So the fact that they want to like be an affiliate with me and give me a discount code is huge. I really love their makeup and them as people, so highly recommend their website. And I have actually worn quite a lot of their wigs in videos, and they are literally like my ultimate favorites. So I picked up quite a few more, which I'll show you in a second. And yeah, let's just dive into it and end this little rambly update, shall we? So when you purchase a wig from Givehead Wigs, they all arrive in their own individual little drawstring bags, which is really nice for like storage and just kind of keeping, you know, each colour, each style separate. The first wig I picked up is in the style All Star, and she's in the shade Pastelic Peony Pink. I will put all the details like on screen as well as in the description box down below since, you know, I'm bound to forget something. But I'm just going to run through kind of the general outline of the wig and like internal structure, since all three wigs I picked up have the same, you know, setup. So as she is a lace front wig, you do get a decent amount of lace to this wig, which is always nice to kind of have to be able to style and, you know, customize the wig to like what you want it to be. Also, in terms of the internal structure, you get a good amount of like rooted kind of, you know, a lace space to play with to like give you a good deep set part on one side, as well as just in general you have quite a lot of good parting space. There is a comb on either side of the head as well as one at the back of the neck, along with a little tag that says like Giveface Cosmetics, which I think is really cute, and I'm gonna write on it like what style and shade is on like the tag, since I can tell for future videos and like references I will 100% forget. She also does come with the like drawstring straps to tighten her. And yeah, in terms of just general, like, off the bat kind of reaction, there is so much hair to this wig. Like, I can't remember exactly how much density. I think it's 200% off the top of my head is a lot of hair. This is like double the amount of hair in any wig that I normally buy. So already right off the bat, I'm happy with how much hair she has, and I love that she has a nice like softer smudge root to her. I think that is super pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace on this, pop it on, and we'll talk about it some more, shall we? That was a really good tongue pop, I was proud of that one. So this is what the first wig looks like on fresh out of the bag. Obviously I've not like styled her, I've literally not even brushed her, I've literally just popped her on, so she's not glued down or anything anywhere. But I think she looks so pretty. The smudge root to this wig is so good, and it's like all the way around the wig. Like no matter where you part it, no matter what you play around with it, the smudge root is still there, which I am so happy about. Also, speaking of the little like smudge root, it's pretty close to my natural like hair color, so if I didn't glue her down, I'm fairly sure I could still like blend it into my boy hair, which, you know, is always a plus for me. If you did glue this wig down though, you get a good amount of like, you know, lace to play around with and like space to glue it down and all that shebang. And the actual like hairline is really good. The way they've made these wigs is very top notch. Generally I will go in and like pluck the hairline and make it look a little bit less dense and like pluck the part in a little bit more and all that kind of thing, but right off the bat, doing nothing with her, she's impressing me. Like, I think she looks so pretty. The actual, like, colour and hair texture and everything as well is literally top notch. Like, I am so impressed with just her, like, from the back. Like, straight up, she looks really pretty. So this wig is on sale on the Giffhead Wigs website for £99.95p, which I think is a very fair price, and if you use the discount code LunaRose, you will save 10% on that. However, currently they are planning on like reformulating the colours of their wigs, and potential future styles and everything is going to be changing up, so all of their wigs are down to £70. Again, I think you can use my discount code LunaRose on the like discounted wigs, but if not, I would highly recommend like any of their makeup or any of their other wigs. But literally this wig for 100 quid is 100% acceptable. I would pay that. I did pay that. But if you're getting it for £70, I think these wigs are a complete steal, a complete bargain, and you're definitely going to see them on the future in my channel a lot more. So yeah, let me know what you think of wig number 1, and let's get wig number 2 out the bag, shall we? So the second wig I picked up is in the style Covergirl, and she's in the shade Pastelic Primrose Yellow. She looks like this fresh out of the bag, and she has the exact same structure as the first wig, so you get a good amount of lace to play with, 2 combs on either side of the head and 1 at the back of the neck. So I'm just going to quickly like trim the lace on her, and let's see what she looks like on. So this is what wig number 2 looks like fresh out of the bag and just like, you know, literally popped on my head. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comment section down below. I, for one, have such a soft spot for like yellow hair. I think yellow hair is so pretty, and the fact that it has like a nice smudge root and it's kind of like more of a pastelish yellow, I think looks so pretty. I think the pastel range that they sell is by far their best range. Maybe because I have like a soft spot for pastels, but I just think this smudge root and like the color tones are so like well selected and just amazing. Like literally this is like my dream set of wigs, is their pastel range. And yeah, I actually really love this like curl pattern texture in it as well. Definitely I'm going to be picking up more in the Covergirl style, since I actually think this is like such a nice like ringlet-ish curl, and it's giving me full on like Goldilocks realness. Like if I could pick a like description of this wig, it is like Goldilocks the house down. The wig does come with like more of a set part and the deeper kind of lace area on this side. That would probably be my only like thing that I would change, is I would flip this hair over and like pluck a part on this side and, you know, wear my hair like that, since I like the more that flipped way fringe kind of look to a wig. But yeah, apart from that, I think this wig is gorgeous. The density again is just like the first wig. You do get a lot of hair in this, and obviously I've not like combed it, I've not brushed out any of the curls. This is literally just out the bag and on my head, so I'm fairly sure I could get this wig like nice and big and like draglicious. But yeah, let me know what you think of wig number 2. This one again retails for £99.95p, but with the discount code LunaRose it knocks it down to like 90 quid. But it is on sale again for £70, which is a complete steal for any of their wigs on their website. Like, I am impressed, literally impressed for like the price you pay for the density, the hairstyle, the like colours. Everything is really pretty. Let's go on to wig number 3. Wig snatch. And then wig number 3, I believe, is in the style All Star. In total, I purchased like 21 wigs myself, as well as like a massive amount of makeup, which there will be a haul coming on soon to like show all the fun goodies I picked up. And yeah, I'm not really sure what style I picked this wig up in, but she's in the shade Pastelic Peach. This one, by far, out of all their collection, screamed to me like the most. I think the tone of this wig is so pretty, and again she has the nice smudge root as well as all the same like internal structure. So I'm going to cut the lace on this wig and try her on, girl. And then this is what wig number 3 looks like on. All I did is flip the hair over to this side, and I'm going to end up like plucking the part in on this side, since I prefer my hair this way swooped as opposed to that way swooped. But this one is by far my favourite colour and like wig I've picked up today. The tone of this wig is literally just, they like hit this one out of the park. It is so beautiful, and you can bet your ass I'm going to be wearing this in so many like upcoming future transformations. I think she looks so pretty and just everything to me. Like this tone is just stunning. Again, just like the previous 2 wigs, they all retail for like £100, but they're currently down to 70, so I would highly recommend this wig for £70. Even for 100 quid, which is what like I would pay for it, 100% would recommend. But the fact they're down to 70 and then potentially down to like 63 with my discount code LunaRose, it is a complete bargain, a complete steal. And I am impressed, girl. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little like mini review, wig haul and try on from Give Head Wigs. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which wig was your favourite, 1, 2 or 3. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM. But like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell since there's gonna be bonus days and different uploads and all sorts of different content on my channel. But yeah, I really enjoyed like the wigs that I picked up today, and like I said, I am an affiliate with Give Face Cosmetics and Give Head Wigs, so I do have that an affiliate code, which is Luna Rose. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm just gonna like wear this wig the rest of today, like